classmates. This is Tiffany. So I am going to show you one of the research labs classrooms that are used here at Paradise Valley. And follow me. Come join me. And we have Sylvia here, who is one of the instructors who teaches the classes. And what normally happens is there's two research classes. There's a kind of an introduction and then a more advanced research class. And so here we have a PowerPoint. Normally students will come in. She'll give them a PowerPoint and kind of get their minds jogging on research strategies and different things that are helpful to them when they are conducting a research paper or trying to find information. As you can tell, the setup here is where everyone will have their own computer and they will be putting into practice the things that they're learning.
That's probably good, huh? Some of the ways that we can search more effectively, and we were just getting into Google a little bit, some of the tips and tricks that can be used in Google. Go back out to our library homepage, get up here in Google. So most students are going to be aware of searching Google generally, where you just type whatever you want in this little box. But if you go to the upper right corner, there's a little gear, and you can go to the Google Advanced Search. And probably one of the more powerful parts of this tool is that you can limit your search to a specific domain or a specific site if you want. So I'm going to limit it to a .gov, and I'm going to look for a phrase like climate change. So the things that we're pulling up are all from governmental websites, and you can see the .gov is showing up in each of the different domain names. So that's one way you can limit your search to get a more effective search from just the internet at large. So this is in addition to searching library databases, books and ebooks. You can supplement with Google. Something else we could look at, we were just about to look at, was a Google Scholar.
Yes.
Which that can be an interesting, because there are places out there that will host full articles, and we're not quite sure always how they get the copyright permissions to get those up there, but so we're in Google, and there's the More section, and where is Scholar? Let me say even more. Oops, I think I saw it there. Hold on a second here. Yeah, there's Google Scholar. They, as we discussed before, stuff moves around, and so it's good to know things exist, and sometimes it takes a while to track them down. But there's Google Scholar. Oh, it remembered that we were looking for climate change. I'm going to get rid of the .gov part of that. And let's just do climate change so you get a sense of what's out there. So these are often a number of scholarly journal articles, and frequently you can get a hold of the full document from, like this looks like it's being hosted by a .com. Let's see. Oh, and this is somebody's memo. Let's modify our search a little. Let's put in and maybe yeah, let's say wind power. And the science of climate change. This is in HTML format from friendsofscience.org. Here's one from evergreen.edu. So that